Hello YouTubers, just to show you my bike with whom I'm riding around. Today I'm in beautiful Austrian Alps. Look at this view. That is something. And that's my bike. I have it for a few years. I love these stickers. This year I have some new stickers. Tempus fugit memento mori. It practically means enjoy every day because life is short. This is Bmw 1200 RT. It's 06 and I have it for a few years now. It runs smoothly, no problem. Plenty of space for luggage. Yesterday I drove a new GS 1400 Adventure and it was poesy. But what do you think about this? This is my old friend, 19 years old, but runs like it should. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about upgrading to new GS 1400 Adventure? Nice greetings from Austrian Alps.